Okay, hey everybody, we're going to be going to the mall here, and so we thought we'd just bring you along. Some of the things we got to do today, I'm going to try to, is you can't really see because of all the clothes. Let's see if I can move some of these clothes. When we first built this place, see, we had, this wasn't here. There's actually a door here that I had put on here and screened to keep the dogs, these wild dogs, they're not dying, it's too hot right now. But they would jump over this because this is only about waist high to me. So the dog would just jump in here and they would sleep in there, eat in here, poop in here. They vomit over here. So we put this, so I built this fence from the end of the gate up. So it's about waist, or about chest high to me, almost my shoulder blade. And we put it, as you can see, I built it all the way around there. And I put this like mesh wire here. You can see this very stuff here. And that was 3 years ago. But the problem is, this is so thin. It's just real thin chicken wire, as you can see. So I'll be taking this off. And I really don't need it this high. You see how this is part of the structure itself. That was when we built it on. We hang some plants and stuff. But you can see it's only from here, where I put on, to here. It's only about 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet. This pole doesn't really need to be this high. So I'm going to drop it down probably about half, maybe half, about down to there. So it'll still keep the dogs from jumping in. But it won't look as though this place is completely closed off to mankind. Now, again, I did it over here too. But you can see this one is fine. I'm gonna leave this one up because that's a shorter jump for over there than it is over here. Over here. This because the slope is going down, so this is higher here to the road. That one was made as that fence over there was made as a overnight to keep dogs out, but we never finished it. So you can tell it's round steel, as this is square steel over here on the sides. So I may do something about that. I don't know yet. This one may stay the same, but this one here, this one here goes all around here, which is the deepest part. Even if I'm standing over there and the neighbor, when I stand there, my head barely comes up to the floor. So it doesn't have to be as tall as it is, like way up here. I'm gonna bring it down right about there. So, because also she hangs clothes in here. The sun hits us directly, so you can see she hangs clothes. She washes in here, keep them from getting dusty and stuff. Okay, so here we got to the mall, and we have 5 babies. Hi, Ma. A lot of good places to eat down here. Julia J's is really good. Joni's is good. I haven't eaten down there yet at Seoul. Dim Sum is good. I haven't tried Orange Brutus yet. Hi. Turn around, turn around. So the kids decided they want to go play. There's 2 places to play. One is World of Fun. Huh? Her mama, she wants to go see. Okay, we can go see her mama. And we're going to go see the little one of my nieces. Her mother works at Ace Hardware, so we're going to go say hi. We'll come up here and we'll play at the World of Fun here, which has got lots of toys and places like that for them to hang out. And then we would go over there to the food court, which you got pretty good stuff over there. First we're going to go in here and see her mama. Let's go find Mom. Ding ding. Okay, so here we are in the playhouse. This place costs 200 pesos, roughly $5 to get in here for an hour. And I'll show you some of the things they have here. Check it out, it's pretty cool. So they got the bouncy bounces in here. We got a supermarket where the kids can play supermarket. It's kind of cool. We got all kinds of neat stuff in here. They have the police station. They have a game with balls. I don't know what that does. They have a rock climbing wall over there. Rock climbing wall right there. Kind of cool. This is one of my favorite ones here. This is called the sand pit. The sand pit, but it's not a sand pit. This is like little rocks. Hi, Gia.
Yeah.
It's little pebbles, colored pebbles. Little pebbles. And they got the crawly throughs, and slides, and balls. And we got some smaller things for the smaller kids. Merry-go-round. Here you can build stuff over here, which is kind of cool. We got 2 tables for building. 1, 2. Got great decoration on the walls. The ceiling is pretty interesting. Each of these big lights, they have a character on them. Okay, they got a character on that one. All of them have characters. Oh, they got a sea of these balls. This is a cannon that moves, and you load the cannon there. You load the cannon in there, and then it gets shot out all over the place. Oh. Another cool toy. You load them down there. You load the balls in those holes. They go up. They fill up the wings of the airplane. And you hit that great big red button right there. And these right here, they open up and then you got a rainfall of balls. That's a pretty cool game. Liam likes this one. You throw the balls at the screen and the actual screen reacts to the hits of the balls and you get points. So that's kind of cool. We got slides over here. It's pretty cool, but when you bring your kids, make sure you bring water because it gets hot in here real quick with all these kids. It's pretty busy today. It's tiring. There is the price checks. Admission is 200 pesos for 1 hour. For 2 hours is 300. unlimited time is 400 pesos, so you can play as long as you want for 400, which is about $8, maybe a little over $8. The place is called Kids Paradise. They just opened it up last month here in SM Mall in Consolacion. We got really busy today. School has been out. Liam goes to a private school, but the other kids, they go to public school. Public schools have been shut down for about 2-3 weeks now. It's just been so hot. It's been averaging around 103 to 105 degrees a day. So they cancel school and they're doing what they call modules, which they pick up their homework once a week, take it home, they do it, and then they bring it back. Liam has been down, they got him down to 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But he also has air conditioning in his classroom all day, so it's really not an issue. It's the heat for him, as it is for me and his mama going and getting her. But it's not too bad though. I mean, we go drop him off around 8:30 in the morning. We go home and we hang out there till 10:30. Then we go back and then pick him up at 11:30. That's going to change next year, because next year he starts out at 7:30 in the morning. His classes go from 7:30 to 3:30. That's a full day of school for him. So we got to get up an hour early, and then he's got about 3.5 hours longer school time he does this year. So I don't know how he's going to deal with that. Okay, I had my shower. Now I'm hot again. I put a stop on the fence for right now because we did some other things instead, and honestly it's just too hot for me to be out here working on the fence. Like I said before, you can see at this angle here, that's the door right there, but the other fence going all the way to the corner and then going over to that side over there, that fence has been up for quite a while and it's pretty rotten, so we want to replace it.
Well, almost about 2 years, right?
Almost 3 years.
No, ito eh.
Oh, 2?
Yeah, this additional.
Yeah,
but
so,
this one, it's almost 3 years.
Yeah. So we're gonna replace that, but I haven't decided exactly what day yet. Probably I might do that when Liam's on a summer vacation.
Yes. Okay. It's so tired driving. It's so hot picking him up in the school. Oh my God.
Okay, now that our day is over with, we decided we're going to have ourselves a little bit of grilling here tonight. So what do we have here, honey, all together?
Chicken, fish, Hungarian sausage, potato.
Yeah,
Chicken liver.
Got yourself a big old fish over here for everyone, because I know people like fish. Got my baked tater. Got some chicken in the back, and you got some stuff on a stick.
Yes.
I see you got liver on a stick over there. Is that liver?
Yeah.
You got liver, and then you have, is that intestine?
Yes.
And then you have a chicken intestine on the stick.
Nobody in your one.
I tried it, but again, it tastes like chicken, but it's too chewy for me. Chewing a rubber band.
Yeah.
But it looks yummy. Thank you, hon.
Okay.
I love a good yum num.
Cherry.
Oh, we got some good foods. Nice salad I made. Because I made the salad. Good chicken. And made her own, what's this, your salad dressing. Of course, that's the BFF table over there. My brother-in-law joined us today with his wife and family. That's nice. We don't get them very often. On the weekends. Hi, Liam. Can you say hi? Right here, Ma. Ma. Love you, bug.
Ay, palit na mo, Serison. Kaya ng mga caravan sa US, mga kanindo.
Okay naman din aras na nakalimutan mo rin ang biskot mo sa bago na. Okay naman suya kaya kasi madungog ka.
Parang sa ako elementary sa 2000. Are you full? Okay.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hi, honey.
Hello.
How's your day? Tired. Tired? What time did you get up?
5:30 doing the laundry. How many loads that I do?
I saw him out here when I was looking at
It's
Project Screen.
four loads.
Yeah.
The plus still there.
Oh, yeah. But
One
then,
load for tomorrow. His uniform still there. I did not wash yet his uniform.
and then we went to do a little shopping, get some stuff. Let
And
the
then
kids play.
Kids play for 1 hour.
Yeah, that's kind of expensive. 200 pesos just for 1 hour.
249 now. Oh,
No,
that's
it
why.
wasn't 240. It was 200.
No, before and now they increase
Oh.
because lots of customer
Yeah, so they lower.
they make it
Oh.
higher because no other man
Oh, okay.
the kids like
So
that.
for 5 kids, it took 5 kids, 3 adults for 1 hour was 1,100
100.
pesos, so about $22 for an hour. And so we did that, and then we came home and
Feed them first.
oh yeah, we fed him at KFC, and of course your son didn't want KFC. He wanted
Ramen.
Korean noodles, and then after he ate the noodles, he wanted chicken.
Yes.
So he got chicken.
And then after that one, he wants zago, and then I tell him no.
Oh, he wanted zago?
Yeah, he's asking,
Okay,
can I drink
explain what a
that?"
zago is. We don't have those. I don't think.
There's so many flavors like strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, mango, like that, with a pearl inside.
Okay,
It's like
pearl? Like a jelly in the bottom?
Um,
Pearl, like these little round.
Yeah.
They're little round balls, but they're like jelly balls,
like that.
and it's crushed ice with
Yeah, it's-
like
it's
chocolate
like-
powder or something, and
Yeah, it's like a slush in your country,
yeah,
or
let's
shake,
Yeah, like
but-
like a
but
slushy.
additional pearl.
Yeah, it's like a slushy. That's more wrapped as a slushy.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you wanted one of those. I didn't know that. He didn't say nothing about that.
Yeah, he said, and then I said no, because we spent 1,000 there, enough.
And then he saw the kid on the tennis shoes with the wheels on the bottom.
Oh yeah, that they are sisters and sister and brother, so they keep on skating.
And
there.
immediately, I want one.
Yeah, also JJ.
Oh.
Even it's too big for him. He said, "Ma, it fit, ma, it fit." And then I think JJ
I thought
and Liam,
I thought that was just Liam.
he wants also.
Right.
They are the one who saw it, and then that's the time that they said to, and then JJ he wants to like Liam.
Right.
His
Should I get sugars?
she wants to play. I think.
No, bud.
Or
Okay.
son.
Well, I hope you enjoyed riding along with us today on one of our fun days. It was a fun day.
Yeah, of course.
I enjoyed it. We had a great supper, a good
Family.
cookout.
Yeah, family is
Family
much.
first, always family first.
Yes, it's more enjoy.
Yeah. We rather do this kind of things like you've seen today. Sit down and have a nice cookout here outside with the family than do pretty much
Awa.
anything else. I can't think of anything else.
Yeah.
So, all right, so we're going to cut this now. We're going to go to get these kids in bed. We're going to try to relax.
Yeah.
So I'm Kelly,
I'm Anne.
and we'll see you on our next Philippine adventure.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.